Hello, we are the planet protectors, and my name is Senay Mehari.
And my name is Iten Mohammed.
Imagine using something for just a few minutes, but it stays in the environment for hundreds of years. That single-use plastics. In our school alone, 200 plastic items are thrown away every day, and most of them used once and for good. Globally, over 400 million tons of plastic are produced each year, and much of it turns into microplastic that enters the water we drink and the food we eat. And these particles can build up in our bodies and may harm our health over time. This also connects to Article 25, the right to health and well-being.
We spoke to more than 30 students to understand why this is happening. Most said they want to reduce plastic use, showing that awareness already exists. However, many don't know where refill stations were or how to start. So the problem isn't care, it's lack of clear, accessible information. Without clear information, people can't make better choices.
That's why we created EcoServe, a model that guides students step by step from recognizing the problem to choosing reusable options in daily situations. Our solution focuses on prevention instead of recycling after waste is created. It uses behavior-based design to reduce plastic use before it happens. This works because it makes the better choice the easiest choice. We also created the EcoServe guide, so by scanning the QR code, the students can quickly find refill stations around the school. We place these codes in key areas like hallway. We also introduced a sustainability pledge where 7 additional students committed to reducing plastic use, showing growing awareness and engagement. We tested our solution with 10 students, at first only 2 used reusable bottles. After 1 week, 8 students did. Although this was a small group, but the results show strong potential. If this applied in the schools, 100 of plastic bottles could be reduced every week.